Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to change view. So as example for object, I will insert this dump. And if you want to change view, you can use view cube. Click this icon, you can click on view or you can click at this corner point. The other option, you can click hold to rotate the view. So you can change into bottom, the other like right, or you can set into top view. The other option, you also can press right mouse, hold, and then it will be automatically orbit to change the view. So you can press the right mouse, hold to orbit, and then you can press middle mouse to use pen. So you can create or change view by using mouse or by using this view cube. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial, how to change view. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.